What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do this Zach King style magic illusion effect where you turn a building into some sort of an object, in my case, a sandwich, and then a pepper shaker for another building. Let's get into it. First, we'll get our shots. You want to find a location with a building in the background to set up your perspective shot. I cut some cardboard up and then made a holder out of that cardboard, and I taped it to a tripod so that my object, which was a sandwich in this case, could be held up by it. Then I did the same thing for a pepper shaker with the second tripod. Set up your object in perspective line with the building so it's just covering the edge of the building like I did with the sandwich. Then you'll get your shot of you pulling the object from the tripod, making sure not to cross behind the tripod during your shot. Then, without moving the camera, take everything out of screen and get a blank background shot of around 15 to 20 seconds. Next, we'll import the footage into DaVinci Resolve. You can also use another software that has a rotoscope type feature. In your timeline, layer the action shot on top of the blank background shot like this. Click on this action shot, then click on the color tab here, and then click this icon to select the magic mask. Once inside the magic mask, click this icon to select object mask, and then click this icon to toggle mask overlay. This will ensure your masked area is highlighted in red so you can see what's being cut out. Also, make sure qualified is on. Then click this dropper icon and draw over your subject where you want the mask to be. Make sure to include the shadows as it will sell the effect. DaVinci will automatically create a mask around your subject. If you need to remove some mask area, just click the dropper with the minus symbol and draw on the affected areas. Next, hit this icon to track the mask in both directions. Then open the nodes window, right click and select add alpha output. Then drag the blue square to meet the blue circle and a dashed line should appear. Review the footage and go back and clean up any areas that got missed. Before we move on, I want to thank today's video sponsor, Snapdragon X Elite. They've sent me this Snapdragon powered laptop to test out for this project, and it's helped cut my editing time nearly in half. The Snapdragon X Elite's 12-core CPU has the best in-class speed for running Gen AI, which means I can use powerful AI tools such as Rotoscope, Magic Mask, and others to cut myself out, track my footage, and create mind-blowing illusions like this one in no time. The Snapdragon X Elite is powered by the world's fastest NPUs for laptops, so I can edit high-resolution, intense visual effects in a flash. And while I'm editing, the Snapdragon-powered laptop delivers amazing performance and stays super cool even when editing 4K complicated edits like this. I can also sync all my devices with lightning speed and seamlessly switch between my favorite devices when I need to post a video for a smooth, dynamic experience. The Snapdragon-powered laptops also have unheard of battery life, over 20 hours, so I kept the laptop with me during the whole video shoot, and I can review the footage and even edit on site. The webcam on the Snapdragon-powered laptops has DLSR quality. It's so good that I could even use it as a camera if my phone stopped working. And regardless, it makes my Zoom meetings all next level professional. And lastly, I can feel safe knowing my data is secured. With the Snapdragon-powered laptops, my PC is protected from chip to cloud by intelligent security features and total memory encryption. And one of my favorite parts is DaVinci Resolve is now native on Snapdragon-powered devices. Check the link in the video description to get your Snapdragon-powered laptop today. Thanks, Snapdragon, for sponsoring this video. And now back to the edit. Next, in the color page, select the blank background shot, then right-click on the video and select Grab Still. In the gallery, you'll find your still shot, right-click on it and select Export and save as a JPEG. Open your web browser and find an AI software that can remove objects from the background. I used pixelcut.ai, which is free. Import your image and draw over the building to remove it from your image. Then click this button to have it removed from the image, and then download it and import it into your project in DaVinci. Open the edit window and go to right when you start pulling the building away and make a cut in the blank background video and move it up a layer. Then drag your blank image with the building removed underneath the second original blank background image that's now on the layer above. I also noticed that my shadow is actually missing from the action shot. And if you don't want to go back and troubleshoot the magic mask, here's an easy solution. Just duplicate the action clip by holding Alt and dragging it to another layer above. Click the color window and make sure the timeline is selected and highlight the lower action clip. Then click Magic Mask and delete all the strokes. Then click this icon for regular mask and select a shape. Line it up over your shadow area where things aren't shifting in the background. Right-click in the node screen and add an alpha output. Next, in the color window, we'll select the blank background image and we'll draw a mask around the building. Now, I just realized I forgot something. So back in the timeline window, we're going to stretch out the original blank background layer to last the whole video. Then we're going to select the pixel cut background image and in the color window, draw a mask around just the skyline in the buildings. This way, the moving background will stay moving and not stop when we add the missing building shot. Next, in the timeline window, highlight the clip that you masked just the building out and click Inspector. Then use keyframes to move the position, scale, and rotation of your building with your hand so it looks like you're pulling the building away. Finally, you can keyframe the building size and opacity to disappear and morph into the sandwich, and you're done.
Lunchtime. Oh, Dang it. Just needs a little pepper. There we are.